Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure that you do and give this video a big thumbs up in the process. So today I decided to bring you guys my skincare routine. This was like my most requested video on like Instagram and like WhatsApp and all of that. So I finally brought it to you guys. I'm so sorry it took me this long. I just had to make sure that I have like proper equipment to hold up my phone in the bathroom while I take the video and stuff. So yeah, you guys, I'll just be showing you guys how I wash my face in the morning and at night. I put both routines just so that you guys can get a picture of how you should be doing it in the morning and at night as well. I also included the product, and I'll make sure that down below I'm linking the products and their prices. So yeah, let's get into the video, guys. Alright guys, so I'll be starting off my skincare routine like I always do by washing my hands with a Dettol hand wash. And I do this because I'm just trying to limit the amount of germs and bacteria on my hands before I start touching my face, because those are the main cause of breakouts and stuff. After that, I just dampen my face and get it ready for the cleanser that I'll be using. I'm going in with the Neutrogena Visibly Clear Pore and Shine Daily Wash. This one is the tangerine and lime one. I do about 2 pumps of this. So I just go in with this product on my face. And if you guys notice, I'm mainly using my fingertips because once again, I don't know how much bacteria and stuff is on my palm, so it's just better for me to use my fingertips. There's just less of a surface area for germs and stuff on there. Now I have naturally oily skin, so I like the Neutrogena products because all of them are made of citrus and stuff, and that's really good in being able to remove excess oil from my skin. I also just make sure that I'm concentrating this product on my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin, because those are the oiliest parts of my skin, just to reduce the amount of oil and shine that I'll be going with throughout the day. Alright, after I rinsed it off, you guys, I am going to go in with my DIY toner. Now with this toner, I use about 1/8 of apple cider vinegar in the small spray bottle, and I fill the rest up with water. Now this is my go-to toner because apple cider vinegar has so many benefits, especially in just limiting the amount of bacteria and germs that are on your face. Now I'm going to go in with the Clicks Sun Protect sunscreen. I do not moisturize my face in the mornings. I don't know if it's wrong, but like my skin is oily like I've said, guys, so I just go in with sunscreen right after using my toner, and that's pretty much worked for me for the last few years. So yeah, I just rub in the sunscreen to make sure that my skin properly absorbs it and I'm protected for the day. And guys, with sunscreen, you don't wear it when the sun is out only. You have to wear it every single day because the rays still make it to you either way. Alright guys, for my night routine, I just go in with the basic Dove soap bar, and I like this one at night because it's really creamy and just moisturizing, and I don't mind my skin looking a little oily at night because no one can actually see me. So I just rub the soap in between my hands to get it going, and I begin to put it on my face. Again, mainly using my fingertips and concentrating on my forehead, cheeks, and chin. rinse this off, I just pat down my face with a dry face cloth. I do not rub my face dry, guys. Don't do that, it causes scratching. I then go in with my DIY apple cider vinegar and water toner, as you guys can see. Now with me, you guys, I have two moisturizers. I have the Clicks tissue oil with vitamin E, which is good for scarring, it's good for uneven skin tone, and then I also use raw shea butter. Now with my shea butter, I like to add tea tree oil to it. I do this when the shea butter is melted, just so it can mix properly. But today I think I'll be using the tissue oil instead. So just to brief you guys about why I use shea butter and tea tree oil. First of all, I'm just a DIY person, guys. I really like making my own stuff according to how my skin feels. But I really like the shea butter because it's really good at making your skin soft, and it's good at locking in the moisture from the toner. And I also like tea tree oil because it has properties that make sure there's limited bacteria on your face. And tea tree oil is also the thing that they use to make pimple patches, so it's really good at just sucking out all the buildup from a pimple and causing just less scarring as compared to when you pop pimples. So yeah, you guys, you can go to Clicks and ask for pimple patches. Those are really, really helpful. Now I'm just basically going in with Vaseline on my lips. You guys should never forget to do that. Okay, I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. I really struggled to make it because I couldn't figure out how to put my phone in the bathroom and all, but I'm really glad that the video came out well. I hope you guys understood exactly what it is that I do to just make sure that my skin stays at its best. And I promised you guys, my next video is going to be how I make my own face mask and my own lip scrub. So yeah, you guys, make sure you subscribe, like the video, turn on your post notifications. Just make sure that the next time I drop a skin care video, you guys are the first to be notified. Thanks for watching, guys.